explore how to use natural language instructions to transform chaotic spreadsheets into structured, analysis-ready datasets, making the entire process easier to understand and repeat. Imagine receiving a spreadsheet filled with duplicate records, inconsistent dates, mixed capitalization, and missing values. Traditionally, fixing these requires hours of complex formulas and manual effort. Microsoft Copilot changes this by offering a more conversational approach to cleaning your data. With Copilot, you work as if collaborating with an experienced assistant. Instead of memorizing obscure syntax or clicking through endless menus, you simply describe the desired transformation in everyday language. Copilot interprets your request and recommends the appropriate action. Before starting, ensure your environment is ready. You will need a Microsoft 365 Copilot or Copilot Pro subscription. Your workbook must be saved in OneDrive or SharePoint, and you should keep autosave turned on to allow for cloud-based AI processing. The golden rule for working with Copilot is to use official Excel tables. This provides a clear boundary for the AI to understand your data structure. Simply click inside your data range, press Ctrl+T, and confirm that your table includes headers. Launch the Copilot pane from the Excel ribbon. This panel is where you will input your requests. You do not need to define every technical step. Just clearly state the column, the problem, and the outcome you want to achieve. To handle duplicates and spacing, start by asking Copilot to highlight duplicate rows in a specific column. After verifying, you can instruct it to remove those duplicates and clean up extra spaces in your text fields. You can also standardize text capitalization without writing formulas. Ask Copilot to format names so that only the first letter is capitalized. It will generate a preview for your approval before inserting the changes into your worksheet. Copilot helps catch data entry errors quickly. You can ask it to scan columns for non-numeric values, replace them with blank spaces, or standardize date formats throughout your entire dataset to ensure consistency. When dealing with missing data, be context-aware. You might ask Copilot to fill blank cells with 0, or for more advanced tasks, fill them with the average value based on a specific category, like region or product type. Extracting specific information from long text strings is simple. Instead of using complex functions like MID or find, just ask Copilot to extract a specific component, like a zip code, from an address column. You can also apply business logic using natural language. For example, instruct Copilot to create an audit status column that flags high-value transactions based on your specified criteria. It will translate these requirements into clear conditional logic. This approach represents a major shift from manual syntax to natural language. While traditional methods rely on nested formulas that can be hard to audit, Copilot allows you to explain outcomes, making your data processes much more transparent and maintainable. To succeed with AI, follow these habits. Be explicit in your prompts, always review preview cards before committing changes, use the undo shortcut if necessary, and keep a backup of your original data for safety. By shifting the burden of syntax to Copilot, you save time on troubleshooting and formatting. This frees you to focus on the real work, uncovering the stories and insights hidden within your data.